Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to talk to you about my lip fillers. Now, I've made a couple of videos about my lip fillers before, so please don't get bored. I had my lips done 2 days ago, and I just felt like I needed more volume in the top and bottom, especially bottom. So I went to my amazing friend who has just qualified in aesthetics. And she's the most amazing practitioner. She's just so unreal. She's so professional. She's got an artistic eye. And she's really done me an amazing job of my lips. I'm absolutely obsessed. I'll just show you. I love how they have kind of a heart-shaped feel, and they just curve out and have like, and I've been looking actually online, and it's kind of a keyhole kind of lip technique. So looks like there's a little. So the filler that we used was Revlax. And I'm just gonna get some information about it because I am rubbish with anything with information. So I'll be a second. So what we used was Revlax Deep. I'm just going to read you about it. It is a thick and longer lasting gel used to treat deep wrinkles and nasolabials, folds or augmentation of the cheeks, chin and lips. This monophasic HA filler is to be injected in the deep dermis. I don't know, it's kind of a term that I don't understand. And it's a crystal clear cross-linked dermal filler with high viscoelasticity. So this actually lasts between 12 to 18 months. So it is an amazing lip filler. And I wanted something kind of thicker than what I was having. I don't know if it was me, but I was noticing my lips were kind of just disintegrating. It wasn't lasting, the filler, but I think it might be me because I'm very obsessive with kind of image, and obviously when you look at something more and more and more, you kind of get obsessed by the way it looks, don't you? And then you don't notice it anymore. I think that's what was happening with me. So this Revlax is a thicker consistency, so I think it serves my lips so much better for the look that I want. So yeah, I'm just so over the moon with my lips. They look so incredible, so gorgeous. They're still a bit sore, they're still a bit swollen, but oh, I'm so happy. So now I've had 3 ml now of lip filler, and that's quite a lot, isn't it? I'm going to slow down now, I promise. I don't want you all to think I've gone absolutely berserk with lip fillers, but I think what the thing is, you know, you try and test lip fillers and you see which ones, you know, which brand is right for you. Not it's, you know, one brand of lip filler isn't right for everyone. So now I found what I think works with my lips, I think I'll be sticking to it. So I'm just incredibly happy with them. The pain was literally minimal. There was no pain whatsoever with my lips. I don't know whether or not it's because there were, you know, my lips were numbed, you know, quite for a sufficient time, or the amount of the numbing cream must have helped. But yeah, the numbing was so good. The pain was so minimal, and she did such an amazing job. I just love the amazing effect that she's given to my lips. It's not just lip fillers, is it? It's a way of life, and it's confidence. I know it sounds really cheesy, but it kind of does change you as a person. It makes you feel so much confident, and I love putting lipstick on, and I just get excited about makeup. So it kind of changes your lifestyle and, you know, what you perceive beauty as. It excites you, so it does give you so much more confidence. It's not just a cosmetic procedure, to me anyway. It's far more than that. So yeah, kind of a short video today, I think, isn't it? I don't know what else I can say. Sorry, my hair's itching so badly. I've just had some extensions put in my hair. It's really, really itchy, obviously, because they're so tight to my head, but that will subside. But how amazing is my hair? I've just filmed a video, actually, with my hair extensions, and I just could not be happier. I just absolutely love my lips. I love the shape that I've gone for this time. You know, I feel that the practitioner really listened to what I wanted, and was very confident in giving me the shape that I desired. And I'm really, really happy now, really over the moon. I mean, I just love how they curve up. Just incredible. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I know it's a bit short, but there's not really much you can say about lip fillers, is there? I don't think. Just my experience was a really, really good one. Really recommend. I don't want to say I recommend lip fillers because that's going to cause a massive furore on YouTube. You know what? You know, why are you recommending lip fillers? I recommend anyone that has any hang-ups with lips or anything else to just give it a go. I mean, I was scared. I was petrified, but I think just listen to yourself. Don't listen to anyone else who tells you not to do it. Listen to yourself. Listen to what you want. And it doesn't last. It's not permanent. It lasts for 12 to 18 months, but it's not a permanent thing. So don't really think, too negatively about it. If you really, really, really want something done to your lips or anything else, then go for it. I think life's too short. And if you go to the right person, then you're guaranteed to have the most amazing lips or, anything else you have done to your face. So, yeah, just give it a go. I wish I'd done this a long time ago because you don't actually realise how thin your lips were. I mean, I've always wanted to have them done, but it's just the fear, isn't it, that always stops you from doing something. But I think just tell the fear. Oh, shit. Someone was outside. I'm literally filming near this massive window. So cringy. Someone was outside. Probably saw me talking to the radiator. Sorry, my hair's really itching at the minute. So just tell your fear to fuck off, basically. Just tell them, just do it. Because you will benefit from it. You will think, wow, what an amazing thing I've done. You will see good in it. Unless you go to someone who's shit and then, no, I'm joking. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video, guys. I hope you have an amazing rest of the day or whatever you're doing. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think of lip fillers? Again, I don't want anything negative because there's no point, is there? YouTube is a positive environment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.